on KB Nation, how you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have Sanjay here. He's one of our apprentice. I've been teaching Sanjay how to lay stone. This is the first time we're gonna showcase him on the channel laying stone. Most of the video them is installing bricks, but in this video he's gonna lay stone, and I want to walk you through and show you some errors that he's made and how we can fix it. You know, you have to learn from your mistakes, so he's probably watching the video himself, and then he will learn and know how to do it better next time. So as you see, he just installed some brick ties, which is good. This medium stone that he just buttered earlier, I wouldn't put that stone there, because as you see there's a stone underneath the bottom. There's a small stone, which it would be, it actually could stay, but I rather to have one joint unless I'm joining two stones beside each other. The way how that stone is, I would probably put a shorter stone just to prevent to have the same straight joint go all the way up. Another thing, right where you have that jumbo stone, you see I have a small beside the jumbo stone and a medium on top. The medium joint is too close to the jumbo size joint. You want to step away at least 4 inches from the joint. That way you have a better bonding, a better bond. It's more stronger in my opinion. Yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And if you get involved from this video so far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more coming video like this one. Sanjay gonna go with about 4 minutes of stone installation, and after that we're gonna do some sills installation and finish up the video. This is the final final video of this series, I should say. And if you have any question for Sanjay, or you feel like, you know, any suggestion for him, you feel free to leave it in the bottom there. One teach one, we learn from each other. Become the world, become better.
Now, compost here, you have a strip there, like we have a medium and a small compost here.
Okay.
And you have a corner. And you know, try it and you have to move because of compost.
Okay guys, so today we're gonna install some sills, just offset the half inch. So I will put the boy here, so 57. Wow, 57. Oh, I'm gonna measure again. Okay, go get the big level for that. See the bear? Oh, I like that. See the down there, so. Checking for slope, guys. Once we get your slope, we level him. We're gonna get a wedge. And I shove them temporarily inside here. We use 2 wedge. We're gonna put a little mortar here on the face of the stone. Also want to clear the cavity. I'm gonna go ahead and install one more sill for here now. You too. Give me a slicker. Okay, so we finished to install our sills. Now we're gonna string our line just to make sure that everything is in line. Take it off.
Okay guys, well there you have it. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.